Good morning, Portland renters. Today we're at 2030 Northwest 113th Avenue in Portland, Oregon, 97229. This home is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home, and it's 3,414 square feet. The sun is right behind it, so I apologize for the glare over the home. But that is the front there. You have your 2-car garage here. I love all the windows by the front of the home, as you can see. So we're gonna head on in. Perfect. So when you first walk in, you have your large dining room area as well as the living room. Those shelves will actually stay here, as well as that one there. You have your windows, which face the backyard. You have your kitchen here. It's a cute kitchen with plenty of cabinets, as you can see there. Also faces the backyard. A lot of natural lighting comes through the home with all the windows. And then this could be your pantry there. It's all open, extra storage. And then we have 1 bedroom here. This one faces towards the front of the home. I love the hardwoods in the home. I had to close the windows or else it'd be kind of the glare in here. See that. Lights to the backyard. And this is the master. The master is really big. It actually has its own deck. When you first walk in, you have the bathroom to the left. You can see it has been redone here. Super cute. Right there. And then we have shower here. What's great about this room is you have a closet behind that door. Facing the front, this is your closet here with built-in shelving, which is awesome. And then that's the bathroom there. More space, super big. And then you actually can walk out into your own patio here. Table. And then that's the front of the home there. Here. One of my favorite features of this home is actually the backyard. This is the backyard off of the master deck here. And then if you can see, there's actually a deer right there. But backyard is super big, as you can see. And we'll head on out there here shortly. And then this home actually has a basement, so we'll head down there. There's plenty of storage space. When you first walk down, you'll see the bright windows here. Little deck area there. Washer dryer here. And then more storage space there. And then you have another full bath down here as well. So stand-up shower, toilet, sink there. So this basement is actually really large, as you can tell. Plenty of storage space here. Just love all the windows in this house. Back to the bathroom. And then we will head upstairs. And right out the door from the basement, another door to the backyard. We'll head out there. As you can see, this is the large backyard. Super pretty. And then this door is actually to the garage there, and that opens from the inside. So if you were working out here or doing something, you're able to, you know, get your tools out, which is great. Then you have the deck there. It's just super, super pretty, as you can see. And then the deer is still right there. So let's head on back in. And then as we head back in, we're gonna go up to the upstairs level of the home. And this is technically considered a bedroom because it is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. If you wanted to use just 2 of the bedrooms on the main level of the home, you can definitely do that. And then this can be used as a den, but it is considered a bedroom. So let's head on up. So this room is super large, a lot of windows again, so a lot of natural lighting gets in through them, which is wonderful. As you can see here, I'm in the corner and it's a really large room. And then it also has a full bath. So you have your sink there. And then the toilet is here. And then you have the stand-up shower as well. As you can see. Perfect. And then more windows there too, which are really nice. And then this is the garage here. 2-car garage. Sorry, it's a little dark. And then that is the door to the backyard that I was talking about there. You have the kitchen, dining room, and living room. And then we'll head back out to the front. It's a view of out the front door there. And then you have the long driveway as well, which is a bonus. Alrighty, and that is 2030 Northwest 113th in Portland, Oregon, 97229.